You ever sit down and think about how life is basically a giant math problem? Like, seriously, it's not just about numbers and equations. It's about the relationships, the choices, the moments that add up to create who we are. Let's break this down. Life is full of variables, right? You've got your family, your friends, your job, your dreams, your disappointments, and just like in math, when you add some things together, they create something beautiful. And when you subtract others, well, sometimes you end up with a hole that feels impossible to fill. Life mathematics. Procedural phenomenon. 1. Intellectual capacity. Mining or capacity engineering factor. It is an actual process whereby one embarks on an active, real-life, solution-based manifestation of a particular SIF, situation, incident, or factor, phenomenon, pertaining to a known or unknown dynamic, concerned with that life, some lives, or life at large. The process culminates in a practical phenomenon, or calculus, born of intentional intellectual engagement and reasoning. Multiplications, additions, divisions, and subtractions of possibilities in relation to factual assessment with self, i.e., one's aim, objective, mission, and position, and further amounts to some activity, whether a program or project in that regard. The end phenomena is the delivery of probable, ideal answers to a question-oriented scenario. Life mathematics. Procedural phenomenon 2. Understanding of the application factor, life activities and attributes of the future, equals to a life structure map. To that degree, one needs to have a good understanding of the particular elements related to the application, structuring part, and logistics, such as affirmation and cementing of the foundation of the relevant activities that form the basic plus factors of a progressive to viable life, and its structure. The following specific set of 6 contributive words, i.e., what, who, where, how, when, and why, is the key denominator of life mathematics. One needs to work out their mathematical role in the greater scheme of the calculus of things on the basis of broader calculations of other manipulative or intrinsic and relevant dynamics, phenomena, and factors. The purpose of life. Mathematics. Lectures. It amounts to a clear and critical tracing, observation, understanding, and ultimate knowledge of how 3 particular dynamics of living, i.e., situations, incidents, and factors, or SIFs, make up all activities concerned with life. By observing the mathematical calculations behind each of the 3 elements, we thus identify where the majority of our or human errors, challenges, and problems come from, how they originate, and manners in which they manifest. Life mathematics as a fact-finding mechanism. In the majority of instances, life mathematics leads to and inspires investigative calculations of the nature, relevance, importance, and impact of most of obvious facts, phenomena manifested or manifesting in incidents, situations, and factors pertaining to life and everyday living throughout the existence of mankind. To that degree, awareness, observation, and subsequent knowledge of life mathematics phenomena and dynamics thus equals to removal of the truth from conspiracy theorism, and equally, separation of conspiracy theorism from the truth.